You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these bulk fish rolls. Yes, this is commercial fish rolls. So these are the ingredients you need. You need your flour, 1.5 kgs. You need your sugar, 200 grams of sugar. You need 3 eggs. You also need your baking powder. This is salt. You need 1 teaspoon of salt. You need baking powder. You need 2 tablespoons of baking powder, butter, 90 grams of butter, and you need cinnamon. Yes. One thing you need to know that if you don't have butter, you can use margarine. Yes. The cinnamon is half tablespoon. So go ahead and add all the dry ingredients together. Add your cinnamon, baking powder, salt. Yes. And you mix thoroughly. I'm using my hands, so I have to go wash it. I'm using my milk. This is 1 cup of milk. Pour the sugar and you clean your hands very well. You use your hand and do this. Yeah. Take your time and mix thoroughly before you add in your butter or margarine, and you continue mixing in. Yeah, rub in the butter or the margarine, rub it in properly, and you start adding your milk bit by bit. First, you can add the eggs first. You now add the milk bit by bit. If your milk is not enough, you continue mixing with water till you have a lovely dough. Yes, you need a very soft, lovely dough. That is what we are targeting for. So continue mixing till you get there. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to explore my channel because I have more than 500 videos that I know that will inspire you a whole lot. So feel free to also be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button to be getting alerts of my new videos. Subscription is free. Look at the soft dough we have achieved already. Looking so beautiful. I need to allow this to rest at least for 30 minutes if possible. You can even allow it for up to an hour. You can see it's looking soft. To our fish, after washing your fish, add onion, add your seasoning cubes. You can go in with your pepper, correct time. Feel free to spice the way you want. Just the same way you spice your meat, feel free to spice this fish that way. Allow to cook. I added ginger and garlic paste, yes, before I add the curry and thyme. So feel free to do anything you want to do, just the way you season your meat. So the fish is ready. I have to remove it and debone. Yeah, remove the bone and you use your fork to mash. Do you look at that? Mash very well, and this is all we need for this fish roll fillings. Straight to my frying pan, a little oil, go in with my onion, little salt to it, saute a little more, and you start adding in your carrots. Don't forget to add seasoning cube. Feel free to add whatever seasoning you want. I'm adding pepper also because in this country is very cold, so I will need pepper, at least a little bit of something hot. So but pepper is optional. It's not a must you do that, but feel free to add if you wish to. Add in the carrots, shredded carrots. Yes, I used my grater for that. So feel free to pour in your mashed fish. Make sure you're generous with your fish. Make sure it's enough. Stir very well and you test. If you're not comfortable with the test, this is time to adjust. You can adjust it right here. Feel free to adjust if you want a little more salt or seasoning cube, no problem. But I'm okay, I'm fine. The taste is superb and okay. So that is that for my filling, this fish roll filling. So I have to off the heat and allow it to rest. Look at that beauty. This is lovely already. So back to our dough. Look at the dough. The dough has already rested for a long while. Sprinkle little flour to your work surface and you start kneading. Yes, you can knead just for a little while and you spread it out and you cut. Just the commercial way. This is the easiest way I know you can cut out your commercial fish roll. Make it easy. Not only easy, faster. Yeah. That is the main thing, when you make it easy and faster. So feel free to cut any way that you feel that you're okay. But to me, this is the easiest way I felt I can do this. So feel free to try, explore my own style, or feel free to try yours. But this is okay. So I only have to roll out a little while, use my rolling pin, spread out the dough. If you have not liked my video at this point, what are you waiting for? Feel free to give me thumbs up. Thumbs up, like my video. Feel free to comment. Feel free to ask questions. Look at that. So I spread out the little and I cut into two. I have to spread out the second one just to take the meat, fish roll fillings, spread straight, and I fold. I'm using my egg wash. I'll be using egg wash to seal it up. You can use water, no problem. It's still okay, no problem. Feel free to use your ruler to measure this if you want it that perfect. But I'm okay. I'm just using my head to cut, believing it will come out good. So if you want your own so perfect, you can use ruler. Yeah, I always have a kitchen ruler in my in my tools box. So feel free to explore with your ruler also. It's still okay. So I'll still continue the cutting till I'm done. At this point, I decided to share out the dough perfectly so that I will be able to cut easily. Yeah, so that I'll be able to knit it easily and cut fast. So like I said, this is commercial and I'm aiming to have up to 40 something pieces. Yes, so I have to be fast about it and make everything snappy. So just the same way, I will keep repeating till I'm done. Don't forget to like my video if you have not liked this video. Feel free to like my video. Feel free to like. So after cutting every, this is my oil. It's time. I'm preheating my oil right now. You can see everything is ready. It's time to fry. Please make sure immediately your oil is heated, reduce the heat. It's important so that the whole fish roll will cook right inside. It will not just burn the front and the inside is not ready. Just make sure the inside is well cooked by reducing your heat very well. Use medium heat so that everything will cook pretty well and you won't regret making these fish rolls. These fish rolls are yummy. Feel free to try this recipe and enjoy with your family. Seriously, you need to try this. So I'll keep frying till I have that lovely golden brown color before I remove it. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, feel free to be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. That is just it. Look at that beauty. So I'll continue frying till I'm done. Yeah, so feel free. It's good to try new things. Please make this for your family, even for your clients. Some clients are just, they are hooked up to with only one particular snacks. They keep ordering the same snacks all the time. You can tell them, let me try something new for you, and I promise you they will come back with good reviews, good reports. Look at the yummicious fish rolls. They are already and pretty looking good. Thanks for watching. Bye.